Ew. Have some fun in your shower with Color's Color Plus Conditioner. On wet hair, apply a generous amount of Color Plus Conditioner, making sure to saturate all of your hair, comb from roots to ends. Yes! The more you use, the more vibrant the color.
I'm here today for an honest review on a product that I got on Amazon. Today we're going to talk about the Color Copper Color Conditioning Hair Mask. So this is going to be something that you're going to want to use if you're not wanting to do permanent color and you're wanting to alter your colors. So one thing to keep in mind when you're using this is it will slowly make your hair darker. So like if you start off really blonde, that's going to be first wash, that's going to be second wash, that's going to be third wash of using the color if you were to do it like on top of each other and build it. I use this color like every 8 weeks. This is faded out about 3 weeks. I do usually mix a little bit of the red in, so you'll see a little bit more of the red tones. I do really like this shade of copper though. If you're liking more of the natural, non-crazy, vibrant coppers, this is gonna be what you wanna go for. This is a conditioner as well, so it's made to help nourish your hair instead of just like totally stripping it. So it's cleansing and conditioning, it's depositing colors of the pigments, and it helps with the hues and helps prevent fading of your hair so quickly. So I will do this in between my like professional hair salon appointments. So if you're looking for a color depositing mask that's not going to do damage, it's going to help hydrate, make your hair feel soft and shiny afterwards, I would recommend